Alright. What's going on, everybody? Another day, another video. Another fishing trip. What was that? Solo dolo today. Looks like it's about 60 degrees out here right now. 8:30 a.m. Or probably 8:13 a.m. Cut that down. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. Yeah, solo dolo today. I'm all loaded up. It's time to head to the lake. So I'll catch y'all when we get out there, man. See what we can get on today. Alright guys, finally got out here to the lake. Made a few casts around on the dock before I jump on the boat right here. I gotta still empty this water out of here too. Got a buck on the phone. I'm about to stream on Twitch probably. As soon as I get the hook out of this fish's mouth that I just caught. I don't know if y'all can see right there, but that fish is going blind in his right eye. First fish of the day. First fish of the day, guys. We're gonna put him back. Water's nice and clear. The lake just got cleaned this past week. So we're gonna see what it done for these fish. There he goes. Alright. Alright guys. So I'm gonna get this water out of this boat so we can jump on in it. Get everything loaded up. And I'll catch y'all back when we get on the water. See you later. Nice one, guys. Nice bass. Go. Keep hearing something else splash up under this dock, so I'm gonna try to sneak away from it. Cast back on it. This is in Michigan. Appreciate that, Atomic Banana. Kamitsuki, I'm in Michigan. Owasso to be exact. Second bass of the day. One we just caught. I think we got another one, guys. Here we go. That's a bluegill. Let's keep moving around. Not gonna get hung up on one fish. This is a Wasso atomic banana. But I'm more down in the Lansing area where I'm living at. That was a horrible cast. Where y'all at? Where y'all watching from? Gonna keep it moving, guys. I want to get down here to this cove before it gets too hot. I want to see if the piker going. Hoping the piker biting. But I'm not sure, so we'll find out. Piker biting, all it should take is for me to get down here to this cove, get back up in there, and start throwing the chatterbait. Don't really matter what color it is. Throw it out there and reel it in. They're gonna come and smack it every time if they bite. Almost every time. One little nibble. Oh yeah, he's got it. He's swimming this way with it, I think. Yeah. Little bitty, itty bitty fishy committee. Fish, but it's a fish. It's beautiful out here today, guys. It's a beautiful day out here today. Out here by myself. No wind. Sun shining. Fish are biting. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Let's see if there's a big old female over here now. Don't look like it. Turn away, I want you to turn. Let's see if there's anything in this little grass pile over here. Yep. I don't know if it's a bluegill or a bass, but something's got it. Something had it. It was a bluegill, I'm guessing. If you're watching on YouTube right now, make sure y'all click that like button. Subscribe for me if you don't mind, if you're enjoying what you're watching. And make sure you got the notifications turned on, because you never know when I'm dropping a video. Appreciate y'all, man. I hadn't made any dirt bike videos in a while, because I don't want to ride it right now until I get my forks rebuilt. So we might do a video, drop a video. Yeah, anyway, like I was saying, we might do a video of pulling the forks off the bike, and then I'll go drop those off at the bike shop to get rebuilt, and then we might do another video of actually putting them back on the bike. We'll see though. I'd like to have a few more tools before I do it, but I could probably borrow some. Another thing about this year, I hadn't really came this way first. As soon as I get off the dock, I usually get off the dock over there by them flags, and then I go the other way around the lake, come back out this way. But today I decided to come this way first. Get in the cove. Oh, something big's over here, guys. I think it might have my bait. Yeah, it's got it. It's got it, and it's swimming. Y'all ready? Oh, wow. Nice. Nice one. Come here. Did y'all see that water just boil over there when I threw that shit and it hit the water? That was a nice cast to catch for y'all. A lot of people don't know how to get the hook out of the fish's mouth real easy when it's deep like that. It's already bleeding, but you don't want to kill the fish, so you want to go up under these gills, find your hook, and flip it over. After you flip it over, if I can find it, there it is. After you grab it and flip it over, it's out. Just like that. Make sure this fish is going to be okay before we let it go, and like he is, he's trying to kick away, and he's gone. He is gone. Another nice bass for the day. Hooks are getting trashed, but I don't mind if it's because of a bass. Got any more big ones over here? Trying to slip away from this point, so I'm gonna spook nothing that might happen to be here. Oh, something just came and smacked it. Another one, y'all. Another one. Fish are biting today. Jesus Christ. Fish are biting today. That didn't take long. 2 casts back to back. Fucking fish are biting today. Again, close your pliers. Go up through the gills. Find your hook. Grab it. And twist to flip. Your hook's out. Fish is fine. Revive him, and he's gone. Just like that, guys. Just like that. It is late spring here, well, mid to late spring here. Almost pretty much summer, I guess. But I'm in Michigan, so the weather's still kind of cool. It's about 60 degrees here today. Supposed to get up 70s. But we're still in the 60s right now. And it's pretty much mid-spawn. So everything's still pretty much up on the bank right now. I ain't gonna say everything, but a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff's on the bank right now, so you want to find that cover, that little trees and stuff that you see on top of the edge of the bank. And that's what you want to try to find. And that's most times where your fish are going to be tucked up next to, if not right up in it. So we got a tree hanging over the water right here. Usually a nice one hanging out here, so we're going to keep pitching in there and see if we can get anything else to bite. Even though we already caught a couple off of this corner pretty much. straight ahead down here while these plants on the side of the water. On the side / in the water. If there's nothing there, we'll keep on going down to the cove. And I might just grab my other rod, throw this chatterbait a few times and see if we can come across the pike. Should have got a little closer for that, but if the fish heard it, he might come grab it. Can y'all see these beds in the water right here? This water's crystal clear. I'm not sure if y'all can see it or not, but the circles with light spots in the water. Those are beds. Fish beds. Right on in. Let's see if I can get one cast on the bottom of the lens. Shade. There we go. If there's anything over there, you should bite that. Change this bait too, because this was trash from all the bass that we done caught so far. Running out of baits. Well, I should have went and grabbed some before I came. It's all good though. Still early in the week. Hope everybody had a good Memorial Day. It's Tuesday, the day after. Still a lot of wind. Not as thick as they was though, and they're dying now. So yeah, them pikes should be popping out. So we're gonna jump across here. Keep going. So I seen a splash on the bank back there. Threw the chatterbait over there. As soon as it hit the water, he jumped on it. Like stank on shit. Look at his tail. That's cool. Look at the tail on that fish, guys. That's cool. Let's get this bait out of here. Right in the corner of the mouth. Right where you want them hooked at. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's another bass swimming right there in the water. He's in a dark spot now. See him? Set his buddy off. So there's bass there that I just released, and there's another one right there behind it. Swimming right towards it. So, threw about 8 to 10 casts with this chatterbait. Nice, juicy cast, to be honest, for a pike, and no luck. Just that bad. So, make a few more casts with this chatterbait before I switch back to bass fishing. I mean, the chatterbait will catch the bass as well, but I like fishing with soft plastics a lot for my bass. Let's see if we can get this other bass to bite over here. He ain't gonna do it. He's spooked. Alright. bass are moving around. I ain't seen no pike yet. Some fucking huge ass bluegills swimming right here though. That's for sure. Big boys, big boys. Let's get you out of the way. Alright, got a big stick in the water here. See if I can pull anything from out of there. What's going on here? Off of there. Something's got it. God damn, you spit it. I didn't set the hook good enough on that one, guys. I thought it was a bluegill. It's all good though. The fish are biting. Nice sized deer or something walking around back here. You can hear him. not too high, but whatever. Let's fish it out of the tree. Do this, yo. I really do this. Come on. It's another little keychain, but I can't help but bite the bait. But whatever bite the bait, I'm catching. You know why? Because I do this. Real double OG. What's good with it, honey? See if we can pull another one out of there. Maybe. Might be a good enough cast to get a bite. Probably not, but nope. Bait's getting torn up. This is the new one. I ain't flipped this one yet, I don't think. Wind's getting a little trippy. Something's back there. Something decent's back there. Let's see if I can catch it. if there's a big one hiding over here with it. If something's got it already, I believe. It's just not moving. It does have two. Lukey, I heard it. Golly, it's a big old bluegill. Got your beds back here. Let's see if there's anything in here today. We didn't even make it around the whole lake for this video, YouTube. Didn't even make it around the whole lake, probably halfway around the lake for this this little portion of video. But we're gonna stop this video right here, and we might have a part 2 for it. Catch y'all later, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it to your fishing buddies, all of that good stuff, man. Make sure your notifications is on. I'll catch y'all next time. Deuces.